Many people work tirelessly every day, yet they seem to get nowhere financially, and you might be one of them. The truth is, it's not always about how hard you work or how long your hours are. It's about the mindset you carry. Your mind controls your choices, your habits, and ultimately, your financial outcomes. If your thoughts are rooted in scarcity, fear, or outdated beliefs, you're setting yourself up to stay trapped in poverty, no matter how much effort you put in. Recognizing the signs of a poor mindset is the first step to breaking free, and this video will reveal the 10 subtle ways your mind might be keeping you poor without you even realizing it. One major sign is constantly blaming others for your failures. People with a poor mindset never take full responsibility for their actions. They think the world owes them success, and when things go wrong, they immediately point fingers. Another sign is living paycheck to paycheck without thinking about the future. If your focus is only on immediate gratification, you're ignoring the power of planning and investing in yourself. Fear of failure also dominates the poor mindset. While rich-minded people see mistakes as lessons, those trapped in scarcity avoid risks at all costs, which keeps opportunities out of reach. Additionally, surrounding yourself with negative influences or people who discourage ambition can reinforce limiting beliefs and make progress nearly impossible. A poor mindset also shows up in how you spend your time and energy. Watching too much entertainment, scrolling endlessly on social media, or wasting hours on meaningless activities instead of learning new skills or improving yourself is a hidden thief of your potential. Another sign is resisting change or being afraid to try new methods of earning or investing. Clinging to comfort and the familiar keeps you stagnant. You may also notice a pattern of envy, comparing yourself to others, or feeling bitter about their successes. This mindset drains motivation and blinds you to actionable steps that could elevate your own life. A lack of discipline in managing money, poor saving habits, and ignoring personal growth opportunities are also clear indicators that your mind is not aligned with wealth creation. Finally, a poor mindset is revealed by how you perceive challenges. Seeing obstacles as permanent barriers rather than temporary tests keeps your ambitions small. Settling for mediocrity, fearing criticism, or avoiding responsibility are all ways the mind sabotages your financial success. The good news is that awareness is the first step to change. By identifying these signs in yourself, you can start replacing limiting beliefs with empowering thoughts, surround yourself with the right influences, and take deliberate actions to create wealth. Your mindset is the most powerful tool you have. If you shift it, nothing can stop you from building the life and financial freedom you desire. Start today, because the longer you wait, the more opportunities you let slip through your fingers.